Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Sealing technologies, exclusive sealing innovations and technologies with proprietary materials and unique design features to ensure a superior seal for your repair. Engineering expertise. Parts are designed, reviewed, validated and approved by FelPro engineers through rigorous research and development. Real-world tested. Parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. VQ35DE gasket set for Nissan 350Z. This was another quality product from FelPro. This gasket set was complete with upper, lower and throttle body gaskets. They were a perfect direct fit. I needed to remove and replace my Plenum when I was replacing my valve covers on my 2004 350Z. The gaskets were OEM, or better, quality.